In this video, you will see how to center page numbers in Google Docs. As you can see, I have centered the page number and it's very easy. First, you need to insert the page number, and to do that, click on the Insert tab and then click on Page Number here. You will see here many options to insert the page number. Select the page number option. For example, I will select the first one. So by default, the page number is at the right side of the header. If we want to move this page number, just select the page number using your mouse. Click on this small three dots to open the formatting tab, and now you will see this align option. Click on the drop down and select the option center align to center page number, and then double click inside the Google Docs document. In this way, you can center page numbers in Google Docs. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out this video that will show you how to start page number from third page. See you again in the next one.